Hi, welcome back to my channel. Last week I made a Squid Game themed cake for Seth's 7th birthday. I started by creating the iconic steps or stairs from the actual Squid Game set. I hand cut each fondant step and used cutters to make holes in the shape of a rectangle, circle, and triangle. I also made additional stairs in different colors to match the vibrant theme. Next, I made some Dalgona cookies, and yes, just like in the show, the umbrella was definitely the hardest shape to do. I hand cut the umbrella as well as the star, circle, and triangle. Since Seth turned 7, I made the player number 007 as a little nod to the series. The cake itself was a rich chocolate mud cake with dark chocolate ganache filling. So I smoothed out the sides and the edges as best as I could. And then I covered the whole cake in blue fondant because blue is Seth's favorite color. For the top of the cake, I used almond meal to mimic sand, and then I attached the fondant stairs using royal icing. I also placed the number 7 on top and added the Dalgona cookies and more sand. I also attached these adorable Squid Game character figurines, the red cards and the black mask frontman on top. And then to finish it off, I added Seth's name and sprinkled some extra almond meal in the cracks where the ganache hadn't set perfectly. So just to give it a natural sandy look. And there you have it, a Squid Game themed cake. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks so much for watching.